Today, we took a train ride all the way from Anchorage to Denali. In our short trip, we will be taking the Tundra Wilderness Tour.
It's an experience where you can enjoy the Alaskan nature on a 43 miles tour bus and spot the famous Alaskan animals.
Soon after we boarded off the train, a shuttle for Denali Cabins were waiting for us.
We just got the key for the cabin. We have here a separate vanity, this is a little dining table. Also we have two beds, coffee maker, a decent sized TV, you have a place where to hang your clothes, a window with the view to the forest and other cabins. Let's check out the bathroom. We have a full-size shower and a restroom. It's a little shaky. The feeling of it that it's all wooden, so you can walk through it and it's like all shaky and squeaky. It's kind of cool, I think. And you can smell this wooden smell. I love it.
Good morning from the beautiful Denali Park. We will be heading 43 miles into the Denali Park, where we will be looking for the Big Five. And when we say Big Five, we're talking about caribou, moose, bear, wolves, and doll sheeps. I wonder if we will be able to see it. And also, we wanted to see the Denali, which is the entire reason why we are here. But we would have to wait for the weather to cooperate. It's a little bit rainy, but hopefully it'll clear up.
I say adventure because every day is different in the park. It's totally unpredictable. I don't know where the animals are. I don't know if we're going to see Denali. Be open to the spontaneity of the park. All right, seatbelts on. We are taking off.
Hello! Hello! It is an amazing time to be here. These foggy days are very mysterious days in this magical wilderness place, so I hope you enjoy them as much as we all do. In a way, I think they're the best days of all, so have fun out there, okay? Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you.
We finally saw our first sighting.
And it was a moose.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Awesome. I have many days where I don't see bears, so this is great. That ensures that she will survive the winter and have another chance next time.
After an hour bus ride, here is our first stop, and we already spotted 2 out of Big Five.
Yeah.
Something worth noting, have a good breakfast. There is not available places to purchase food. You'll get your box with snacks on a tour.
Got cheese balls, nuts, turkey stick, some brownie brittle chips, and Kind Energy chocolate chunk.
About 9:30, 10 o'clock. Those are doll sheep, folks. Beautiful. Females have horns as well, but they only go to half curl.
Big Five number 3 was on this bus. Even if you don't see the animal if it's too far, they have these unfolded screens. The driver will film and he will show you on the screens the animal. So here we're turning back to our tour. However, right behind us is supposed to be the view of Denali. It's a cloudy day, so we don't see it. So far, we spotted 3 out of Big Five. Hope to another 2.
I guess it doesn't matter if it's raining or not. The animals still come out.
also can and have a hike here, which I think is very challenging in this rains.
There's something in all these different
It looks
colors.
like this tomorrow. There's not going to be
And then
a
all
whole
of a
lot to
sudden
do.
there's snow everywhere.
You're wonderful. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Get it. Thank you. Just from all the giggles that you enjoyed yourself?
Oh, we
Yes.
had a great time.
Good,
Thank
thank
you. We saw like 4 grizzlies.
And 2 big moose bulls. That's a lot of wildlife.
And don't forget the Dall sheep. Tiny dots. The Dall sheep are tiny dots. But it's cool. We still saw them. So we really like this tour. When you go, just don't have a lot of expectations because they're wildlife. You don't know if you're gonna see them or not. We just got really lucky today. After a long day of just snacks, we were really looking forward to dinner. I got salmon.
And I got the caribou meatloaf. Have you ever tried caribou?
I'm dying to hear.
You know, maybe if you mix chicken with beef.
Is it gamey?
Not really, actually. It's not strong. It's not like meaty taste, you know? So it's kind of like soft taste. But it's easy. It's not heavy.
I want to try the caribou. It's kind of sweet. It's actually pretty good. My salmon. Being in this cold weather and then taking some time to relax here in the sauna, get all steamed up is just so perfect. I think I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. Good night. So, you know what? We think this place is really great if you want to feel remote and have a sense of wild Alaskan experience. And there are so many things to do out here.
Yeah, you also can do like river rafting, fly seeing, dog sledding, hiking.
And so much more. But these are all seasonal and pretty much during winter time it's closed. So make sure to catch it between May to September. We really feel rested and rejuvenated after a couple of nights here in the woods.
I did have the best sleep in my life here. When you come to Denali, you come to see the mountain of Denali. But due to the overcast, unfortunately, we did not see it.
Which gives us a good reason to come back again.
Yes.
If you take the train ride from Anchorage to Fairbanks, definitely make a stop here at the Denali or just come here. It's a great place. Alright guys, we're off to the next adventure.